What's up, Brody and Nathan? You wanted to go for your third box. I got you box. You said number 606. That was actually what number that I would have liked to. 606. There it is. I would have picked that too if I was doing it. Let's see. Is right there. Good luck, boys. See if we get you something. Another local. Oh, this one is one of those inscribed ones. Not bad. Brandon Gauntz, 30 of 9.99. Inscribed 10/29/15. Pretty cool. Hope you guys are Canuck fans. 3 Canuck cards. Legends Luke Robitaille. Jonathan Taze. Oh. Sign of the Times, Paul Stastny. Double hit. Chris Whiteman, Future Watch. To 9.99. So Paul Stastny and Chris Whiteman. Mario Lemieux. Legends. All-time moments. Joe Sakic, Patrick Roy. Dylan Larkin, Premier Prospects. Mike Gardner, All-Time Moments. Sign of the Times, Matt Molson. Sign of the Times. Oscar Lindbergh, 55 of 9.99. Wow, 4 autos already. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Weird. Yeah, that's the first box I see 4 autos. Legends Willie Paulette. Wayne Gretzky. Retro. We need that guy as autograph. Mikhail Botker update. Ryan Ellis update. Daryl Sittler. Legends Jerry Cheevers. All-Time Moments, Andre Pavlich. Taylor Hall, 95-96 Retro. I think that's probably it. Got 4 autos instead of 3. Vinny Lecavalier. I guess that we got our autos pretty quick. Another Jordan Wheel Young Guns. Now, since you already have one, if you want to trade with one of mine, I have Joseph Blandisi, the New Jersey Devils guy. I can trade that for you, so you have 2 different ones instead of having the same Young Guns. So that's it, boys. Thanks again. Not as good as the first couple boxes, but hey, you got an extra auto. Not bad. Thanks again. See ya.